Hello, beautiful being of light, of love, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alecia, and I am so happy that you are here. Today, we are going to be doing a Kundalini Kriya for physical and mental vitality. So come on down to your mat, and we'll begin in easy pose. Bringing your hands into Anjali Mudra at the heart, we will start our Kundalini Yoga practice with the Adi mantra. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. It means I bow to the divine wisdom within. Kundalini Yoga is a devotional practice to your mind, body, and soul. Lowering your gaze or closing down your eyes. Let's start by taking a nice deep breath in all the way down to the belly. Long sigh out. Deep breath in to begin. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Relaxing your hands down on your knees. Floating into quiet awareness of your inner landscape. Noticing the breath, noticing the gentle rise and fall of the body, and taking your awareness up to the crown of your head, slowly relaxing down through the face and jaw, melting over the collarbone and shoulders, and down through the torso, relaxing your belly, relaxing your thighs, knees, ankles, and feet. And taking your awareness into your root chakra. In Sanskrit, this is Muladhara, our primordial connection to the earth and the divine home and seat of Kundalini Shakti. Holding your awareness at the base of your spine. Let's lengthen up all the way to the crown of the head. Take a nice deep breath in, filling your whole body, every cell, every corner with beautiful breath. Nice big sigh out. All right, we're gonna get right into it. So coming onto your back, legs are out long, hands are planted by your side. We're gonna lift our legs to a 45-degree angle, and we're gonna begin to crisscross. So this takes some abdominal strength, keeping your back flush to the mat. If you need to pick your legs up at more of a 90-degree angle, please feel free to do so. coming to your breath. Almost there. Beautiful. Bring your knees into your chest. Give them a squeeze. Bringing your hands back down to your side. We're now going to extend your left leg. Inhale, exhale, draw in. Right leg, inhale, exhale, draw in. As we do this, we pump the body, we pump the energy, we move the subtle energy through our nadi channels, elevating the energy, getting that inner vitality activated. Couple more, almost there. And bring your knees into your chest. Take a nice deep breath in. Long sigh out. Grab hold of the backs of your thighs. We'll rock up and down the spine a couple times. And come into seated. Finding easy pose. Take a moment to land. Close down your eyes. Connect with the root. Lengthen through the spine. Relax any tension that's crawled into the body. We do the work, and then we experience the results. Taking the time in between to come back to that place of stillness within, to notice. And bringing your hands, clasp them together. Push the palms out. Lift the arms up. Settle in. We're going to do a panting breath of fire. This is a panting breath through the nose while pumping our belly. If you get dizzy, if it becomes too much, just go to a long, deep breath. We're going to close down our eyes and gaze into our third eye space. We're channeling our energy up, evolving our energy, evolving our lives. Breath of fire. Let's go. Deep breath in, squeeze your glutes, squeeze your core, channel the energy up those bandhas. Move the energy, squeeze, lift, press your hands up, expand. And exhale. Keep your arms lifted. You're going to cross your hands behind your back. Holding here, gazing into your third eye space, long, deep breathing, holding your angles, allowing the energy to flow through you. Take a nice deep breath in. Squeeze your glutes, squeeze your core, channel that energy up, elevate, squeeze, lift. Take your awareness to the crown of your head. Open that 1,000-petaled lotus to the universe, receiving divine guidance and wisdom in your life. And exhale. Relax your arms down. We'll take Gyan Mudra, index finger under thumb, wrists gently on our knees. And allow that elevated experience to become grounded into our physical vessel so that we may manifest it into our daily life. Breathe and notice. Be and be aware. Bringing your awareness to the crown of your head. Moving down through the third eye, and down through the throat, the heart, solar plexus, sacral, and root. Taking a moment to maybe say a silent prayer to yourself or set an intention for a beautiful day ahead. Releasing the mudra and bringing our hands together in heart center. We'll close with the mantra Satnam. Truth is my essence. Deep breath in to chant. Satnam. Satnam, beautiful being of light, of love. Thank you so much for being here and for practicing with me today. If you are here and if you have enjoyed this practice, if you could please let me know by leaving me a like or even a comment. While my channel has been slowly growing and I do get some views, I'm not quite sure if people are staying till the end. So if even just one person can benefit from this practice, that keeps me motivated to keep creating for you. All right, thanks again. I hope you have an amazing day. Take sweet care. Bye.